There you go, give it a kiss.
Oh, it's coming out again.
Tummy, water's that way.
He likes you.
How about me tonight?
Nice fish, thank you. What's up guys, Steve Chen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on some 4-5 inch thick ice. See it here? Can you hear the sun? A little scary, isn't it? Hopefully we don't fall through the ice. Let's get started. Okay, clean. Is it still on? Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, it was a little pickerel.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I literally saw it right here. That was awesome.
Nice.
That's a big fish. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yep, back. Everyone backs up. Is it on right? Something there. Awesome. Yeah, it's called better freaking me. Nope. Nice. Hey!
Oh, another pickerel. Haha.
And the shiner's still okay. Quick, put that motherfucker back in there. Yeah, I got both sides. You want me to do it? You want me to hold the shiner? Every shiner counts. Is GoPro on?
Yeah.
Basically, the strategy is to get that shiner back in the water as soon as possible so we can get more use out of it. There we go. Nice. Here, I'll throw the camera. All right. What's the line? So here we go. We got a pretty nice pickerel over here. Probably about a 14-incher here. We're gonna put it back in the water now. All right. You want to give it a kiss? Mwah. And then you back in the water. That's
Great.
Nice fish.
She just literally opened up. The campus has been closed for a year and a half. She literally just allowed visitors to come to campus recently, probably
a month ago.
What is it?
Yeah, that was it.
A month and a half ago. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Let me move my cot.
Sorry. All right, thank you.
Yeah. So long.
That's like something I would do. I don't care what you. I was calling it.
Whoa, it's dead.
Yeah.
To stop, Ryan? He's slowing down. Oh yeah, he's on.
Big.
Hope so. Am I doing a good job?
Yeah.
Oh, it's big. It's big.
Oh yeah, that's different.
Whoa!
Get my gloves. Get my gloves.
Yeah.
Can someone get my gloves? They're literally right behind me.
Just kill it.
Don't. Can I get a picture with it?
No.
Sure.
Yes, you can get a picture.
Jesus, that's a.
Flag.
That's an 8-9 pounder.
How big? Does anybody have a scale?
Yeah.
Can we get it?
I have a scale.
Huh.
I have a scale. Wait for it. Yeah.
Got it?
Show it to the camera. This is a nice one.
That's at least a 2.5, maybe 3. Definitely a 2-footer.
Oh.
Let's see.
All right.
No. Start here.
Here, I'll
Yeah.
get his mouth to open up.
Okay.
Good one. 2.5? Yeah. 3.7. I gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
3.7 pound pickerel. At least a 2-footer, but we're not gonna bother with the measurement.
And jig. Still on?
Let's see.
I think he has another flag over there.
Oh. Got him? Yep. Nice. Oh, it's a largemouth. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Anything there?
I have fire if you... Okay.
Yeah, show
Great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let him go. Here it goes. No?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, we're eating. I mean, not.
Uh-oh.
We're eating it. It's
No.
a perch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, another perch.
Little perch.
Yeah.
Perch.
Go, Steve.
Thanks.
Send that to Nikki. I'll send it to you.
That's the wild half-pound perch.
Okay.
You want to jig over here?
Yeah. I will try it here.
You did?
It looks like crappie a little bit, but then when
Crappie?
I don't know, stand at it from the right angle, it looks like a fish.
Sister.
Oh. Slow down, otherwise you spook it.
Oh, you got bubbles. Lots of bubbles.
Still on.
Lots of bubbles.
Oh, it's big, I think.
You got them this time.
Yeah.
He's taking them. Take it.
Oh.
No?
Oh, yep. It's not big.
Lots of bubbles though.
Whoa! There's a bass.
Little.
There's 1 pound bass.
Nice.
I see the bubbles coming up, so.
Alright, show it to the
Show-
camera.
Right there. Max, show him with the camera to see if.
Nice.
Show his side. Go like that. Right there.
Great. And go.
Good job, Max.
There you go. Nice catch, Max. Nice catch. There you go. Give her a kiss.
Oh, it's coming out again.
Dummy, water's that way.
He likes you. Okay, here it
Good
goes.
job.
Don't That's the one I caught the pickerel on. Is it spinning?
No, it's not spinning. Yeah. See. Oh,
Yeah, that's spinning.
it's spinning. Nice.
Here, pull that out of the water. Are you filming?
Got it. Yeah.
Nice. I got ready to land it if it's big. Is it big? Oh, it's a nice
Oh,
pickerel.
it's a pickle.
Little pickerel. I don't need to land it. It's little.
Nice.
Little pickerel. Okay, I got it. I got the glove. You want me to just let go?
That's okay.
All right.
Oh, I let it go.
They
The
always- they always
snack?
do that. When you squeeze them, that's what they do.
Oh,
Nah, it's not.
it's in the mouth. Okay.
There we go. Let her go.
Thank you for biting. Oh, we find a way home.
We just put the sandwiches on.
Thank you, Skip.
No problem, man.
This is nice.
No problem. Best thing that could have happened to us is getting kicked out of over there, right?
The clubs really helped us.
Yeah, thank you.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not that big. Or is it? Oh yeah. It's getting a little kick. Probably good pickerel.
Whoa, this.
Get the scale.
Yeah.
You have gloves. He's pregnant. I mean, she's pregnant. Turn on the scale. Sorry I'm cursing so much in your video.
It's
Oh, son of a
great.
That's even bigger than the first one, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, it has a sunfish in it. Feel it. Max, feel it. You can feel the fish's head. 3.5.
3.5.
I gotta get a picture.
Oh my fat pickerel.
Yeah, it's got a fish in it. You want to feel it?
All right, let's
Feel its belly.
let's get surgery.
Yeah, of course.
Ryan, got 3.5 pounds.
Oh, here it goes. Huh? No. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Little skinny bass. Look at the color. Nice color.
Want a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Hold like this.
Ah, we need you.
Thanks. Step go. See you. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Oh, nice. No?
This dude.
Whoa!
Skip, that's what I wanted, okay?
Whoa!
Woo!
I have the scale.
About 3 pounds, 2.5, 3.
Yeah, put it
I
here.
think it's 3 pounds.
Oh, 2. He's not 3.
Nice.
He's not 3. No way.
3 and 2 ounce.
I'll take a
big
picture. Someone
fucking
get my
bass.
picture with that one.
Yeah.
Yay!
Nice 3-pounder. Nice fish. Thank you. Here it goes. Still on?
Big fish, whatever it is.
Yep.
Get on the other side, Max. So get a better hook set. Get on this side. Get on the opposite side of it. Okay? You always want to be on the opposite side when you're
Yep.
setting the
Oh,
hook.
it's big.
I'll help you set the hook. I mean, land it. If it's
That's big. It's big. Wait, no, it's not.
Whoa!
Nice pick. That's a good pick.
Yeah.
that's like what we've been catching all day.
That's a solid pickerel.
They've all been this size. You want to get a weight on them?
Yeah.
That's solid.
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
Yeah, it's like an average size what we've been getting today.
Solid pickerel.
They've all been this size.
Okay.
Oh, Maron, almost a three
Almost
pounds.
a 3.
Round
Yeah.
up. That's a 3-pounder.
Yeah.
3 pounds.
You dummy. Max, you want to let him go or do you care?
Yeah, I'll
Okay. Yeah.
Holy he don't want to let go. Bro! All right, I'll open his
Uh-huh.
mouth. No, I got it.
He's right
Stop squeezing us.
Okay.
Max is going to let the fish go. 3-pounder right there.
Ah.
I did a badass line.
Hello!
No, it's actually a smallmouth.
That's a nice chain pickerel.
Actually, it's a northern pike.
Solid pickerel.
For all you people watching, do not comment this is a pike. This is a pickerel. Okay? I just want to make that clear.
It's not healthy.
What do you have?
So unfortunately, there's a lot of parasites in this lake. At Lake X.
Wait a second. Look right here.
Duckling.
Didn't you spit
Okay.
the, wait,
Put a weight on
didn't you
him.
spit the shiner out? Or is that one an old shiner?
Yes. That's a nice fish
We
right
still
there.
got one in there.
It's not.
Got him?
Wait a second. Yeah.
No.
No, we caught some nice fish. How big was that one?
that stuff.
214.
So just under 3? Just
Yeah.
under 3?
Mine was the same size.
Get him off.
You want me to put it back? Or?
I don't care. All I know is he's got to go back.
All right, so we're going to let it go now. Here we go.
Nobody cares.
The viewers care.
How about me tonight?
Nice. Alright guys, we got a couple nice ones, 3-pounders, and most of the bites were happening between 2 and 3 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.